This is Chapter 6, Quadrilateral Station Activity. Problem number 1. Quadrilateral EFGH is a rectangle with diagonals that intersect at M. If EM is equal to 5x plus 1 and HF is equal to 42, find the value of x and the length of EM. Okay, so when you are labeling quadrilaterals, you put them in order. So one right after another. So if I was to label this E, F, G, H, and then my diagonals, and in the middle is M, and they tell me that EM is 5x plus 1, and HF all the way across is 42. So because this is a rectangle, I know that my diagonals are equal, but this is only halfway. So I need two of these. So 2 times 5x plus 1 is going to equal 42. So 10x plus 2 is equal to 42. Subtract 2, subtract 2. So 10x is equal to 40. So x is equal to 4. And then they want me to find how much EM is. So EM is going to equal 5 times 4 plus 1. So 20 plus 1 is going to equal 21. So my answer choices is going to be B. X is equal to 4 and EM is equal to 21. So I'll go to station 8 next. So my answer is B. And I'm going to station 8. Would be the next place I go. But I'm going to follow them in order. So my next problem is going to be number 2. Number 2, quadrilateral LMNO is a parallelogram, and LM is equal to 2y minus 9, and NO is equal to y minus 2. Find the value of y and the length of NO. All right, so this is a parallelogram. So we're going to draw a parallelogram and label it L, M, N, O, and LM is 2y minus 9, and NO is y minus 2. Because these sides are opposite one another, we know that in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. So 2y minus 9 equals y minus 2. Subtract y from both sides, and I get y minus 9 equals negative 2. Add 9, and I get y equals 7. And then if I go back and put it in, 2 times 7 minus 9 is equal to 2 times 7 is 14, and 14 minus 9 is 5. So y is 7 and NO is 5. So I'll go to station 6. So my answer is C, and I go to station 6. Number 3. Quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus with diagonals that intersect at F. Find the value of x if the measurement of angle ABD is equal to 2x plus 3, and the measurement of angle DBC is equal to 4x minus 1. And then find the measurement of angle ABC. Okay, so I have a rhombus this time. So those are equal. I have some diagonals with F in the middle. And I need to label it A, B, C, D. And they tell me angle ABD. ABD. So this angle right here is 2x plus 3. And this other angle next to it is 4x minus 1. Okay, so in a rhombus, these two angles are equal to one another, next to each other, adjacent to one another. So 2x plus 3 equals 4x minus 1. Subtract 2x. So 3 is equal to 2x minus 1. Add 1, add 1. 4 is equal to 2x, so x is equal to 2. And looking at the answers, I got to find angle ABC. So ABC. So I got to find one of them. 2 times 2 plus 3. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 3 is 7. So each one of those is 7. So angle ABC is equal to 14. So as you can see, that's B. And I go to station 1. Problem number 4. WXYZ is an isosceles trapezoid with base WZ and XY and the median MN. What is the value of X if the measurement of MWZ is equal to 15X minus 5 and the measurement of WZN is equal to 90 minus 4X? All right, so an isosceles trapezoid. So this, that's equal to that. And those are equal. So that means my base angles are going to be equal to one another. And they told me MN is the median. So here's MN. And WZ. So WZ and XY. All right, so WXYZ. Okay. So this is 15x minus 5, and WZN is 90 minus 4x. So these two base angles are equal to each other, so I'm going to set these equal. So 15x minus 5 equals 90 minus 4x. Add 4x to both sides. So 19x minus 5 is equal to 90. Add 5, add 5. 19x is equal to 95. So x is equal to 5. And now I go to station 10. So my answer is C. And I go to station 10. Problem number 5. Quadrilateral ABC is a rectangle with diagonals that intersect at E. Find angle BCA and angle DCA if angle DAC is 4x plus 8 and angle CAB is 5x minus 8. Okay. So I come over here and draw a rectangle. A, B, C, D. Diagonals with E in the middle. And the diagonals are 4x plus 8 plus 5x minus 8 is going to equal 90. So angle DAC, DAC, so this angle here is 4x.